Your live, local, late-breaking coverage for Greater Louisville continues right now.
Pumpkin carving could lead to serious injury.
We have Halloween safety tips and alternatives that you may not have thought about. That's coming up in 1 minute.
Every year during Halloween, emergency rooms see a common and sometimes life-changing injury, finger lacerations from carving knives.
Fun event can turn into trouble as a deep cut to the veins, ligaments, and muscles in the fingers can mean deep trouble, especially for young kids. As Ann Bowden reports, that's why doctors are encouraging fun alternatives for pumpkin carving.
During Halloween, parents usually go through great care to pick out a safe costume and good candy, but often they don't think of their child's fingers. That's right, and doctors wish they would. It's to protect crucial arteries when carving their great pumpkin.
We only have 2 to each finger, and so if you happen to get 2 and you're not a good healer, then you could end up actually losing a finger, and that would obviously be the ultimate worst thing to have happen.
Dr. Michelle Palazzo with Kleinert and Coots Hand Care has seen the worst, and it's not just the arteries that are affected by a deep cut in a growing child's hand or even an adult's.
There's nerves in there, there's also tendons, and it's all in a very tight structure, so if there's any injuries, then we have scar tissue.
Scar tissue can lead to permanent damage, injury, and numbness in the fingers. Dr. Palazzo says the leading culprit for these injuries is not the knife itself, it's convenience. Parents make the choice to use the closest, sharpest knife in the kitchen, but one slip onto the blade, or if the knife cuts through the pumpkin and stabs a finger on the other side, the damage can be critical.
Well, the better option is to not use a kitchen knife at all and to use things like markers and paint and stickers to help decorate. This way kids of all ages can help decorate the pumpkins without worry about injuries.
This Halloween, there are even masks for your pumpkin as an option. But for those families who say it's just not Halloween without a carved jack-o'-lantern, doctors say use the tools meant for pumpkin carving and let the adults do it.
Using these carving tools have more safety mechanisms and are easier to carve without having this slippage and end up cutting your fingers.
Ann Bowden, WLKY News.